Welcome back to Cooking with Candy. Today I'm going to make Swiss cheese, potato, bacon and onion bake. It's very simple to make. If you like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe down at the bottom. Thank you. For this dish you're going to need 900 grams of chopped potatoes. I've cut them into slices like this, quite chunky. I've peeled them because the skins are a bit manky, but you don't need to peel them if they're okay. There are 700 grams of chopped onion, 300 ml of creme fraiche, 225 grams of Swiss cheese, either a Gruyere or an Emmental, 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, a teaspoon of dried thyme, and 300 grams of chopped bacon, and you'll also need 300 ml of vegetable stock. Now I'm going to show you how to cook my cheesy Swiss potato pie. First of all, you need to put your potatoes on to boil, and they need to be brought up to the boil and then turned down to simmer for 10 minutes. Once they've come up to the boil, I'll put the lid on the pan. The next thing you need to do is start cooking the bacon. Doesn't that make a wonderful noise? I want to cook this until it's just beginning to go crispy. So I would say that these are done now. They're just beginning to go crispy on the edges. So we're going to take them out of the pan. And now we're going to caramelise the onions. That's just a case of pouring the onions into the pan with the oil. I'm going to add the 2 tablespoons brown sugar. That helps them caramelise, and we're just going to cook them down. They'll go clear and translucent, and then they'll start to go all caramelised. Now I'm going to put the lid on the pan, put the heat in, and to help them cook. And that is basically the first part of this dish. After about 20 minutes, your onions will take on this gorgeous soft caramelly colour, and you'll be able to smell them. And once they do that, they are done. You can take them off the heat. So these are done now. Now we have all our ingredients ready to assemble our dinner. Now the potatoes have been cooked for 10 minutes. They're beginning to fall apart. I boiled them with a bit of salt in to give them some flavour. The next bit you need to do is add the creme fraiche, the salt and pepper and the thyme, which I'll do now. There's the thyme, that's 1 teaspoon. Use a spatula for my onions, and now I'm going to add the creme fraiche. This is 300 ml. Some pepper, and a little bit more salt for taste. And I'm going to cover the potatoes. Oops, they've fallen apart. I probably shouldn't have cooked these for that long. I was concentrating on something else and sort of fallen apart. Right, and that's it. Now that we've got all the bits cooked, it's just a case of assembling it. First of all, we're going to put half the potatoes into the dish. Now, these aren't supposed to be quite so soft as this, but while we were filming, I was trying to get the shot of the onions beautifully caramelising, so they went a bit over, but they should be more firm. The next thing we're going to add is all the onions. There we go. They smell absolutely gorgeous. That's it, there's the onions. We spread that over. It's all spread, all lovely. And then we're going to add the bacon. Now this is very similar to a tartiflette that you might get in France or Switzerland or Germany up in the mountains. It's one of those dishes that they give you for lunch and it's just lovely, and this is sort of my take on it. And next we're going to add 2/3 of the cheese. I'm going to sprinkle it all over. Now in this I used Emmental, but if you don't like Emmental, have a bit of a mix. Use some Emmental, some Gruyere, add some cheddar if you're not that keen on the flavour of the Emmental. And then we put on top the rest of the potatoes. Oops. This is a gorgeous dish. And then we just sprinkle on the rest of the cheese over the top, like that. One. The last thing we do is we add some stock. And this just helps make a lovely sauce. Now this is 300 mils. Just pour it in down the side so we're not melting the cheese. There we go. That was just vegetable stock. Now all that has to happen with this is you need to put it in the oven at 200 degrees for 45 minutes. And that's it. Isn't that simple? Look at this, doesn't it look gorgeous? Now it's come out of the oven. Now it's time to dish up. Look at that, all the caramelised onions and the bacon. Just the perfect meal for a cold winter's night. I hope you enjoy it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you. Now we've got everything done. It's just quick and easy to assemble. We're going to put half the potato into the bottom of our dish. Oops. I think I might have used slightly too big a dish for this. I have. Can we stop?
That's alright.